After a long week, parang deserve talaga natin ng kape at isang sweet treat. Kaya naman,
Saan tayo today?
Welcome to Cafe Jaraya.
nandito nga ulit tayo sa Cafe Jaraya for a well-deserved sweet treat. Deserve natin yan, self! Hoy! And of course, we're warmly welcomed by the little boss himself, Jaraya. Perfect itong merienda spot dito sa bayan ng Alfonso, Cavite dahil nag-serve sila ng both coffee and non-coffee drinks plus a variety of pastries and cakes. Meron silang cookies, different cakes like Sansival, triple choco, brownies at isa sa mga specialty nila ay ang Brazo de Mercedes. For today's video ay natikman nga natin ang Jaraya's blend. Legit na masarap lalo na kung favorite nyo ang matcha, graham at Oreo. At sa mga cakes na natikman natin today, masasabi ko talagang bawat isa ay may sariling charm. Sansival nila sakto ang tamis, creamy, buttery and talagang classic at comforting. Triple choco cake nila wala akong masabi kundi itry nyo talaga dapat to. At syempre ang Brazo de Mercedes which is one of their best sellers, soft ang roll, creamy ang feeling, ay siya kainin pero sobrang satisfying. Open ang Cafe Jaraya from Monday to Saturday 11 AM till 8 PM. So kung naghahanap kayo ng cozy place para magkape at mag-dessert, make sure to visit Cafe Jaraya. And reminder lang, minsan kailangan din nating mag-pause, magkape, at i-treat ang sarili natin. So, alam nyo na. See you here, Wanderers!
Si Cherry Wonders, ito tara na, kain na. Mahilig gumala, cafe at kainan pa. Ayan, travel, food trip, budget friendly. Eat out, TikTok finds, Shopee, Lazada, slay your eyes. Sa bawat lakad may saya at kwento. Kasama si Cherry, let's go. Kaya naman, saan tayo today? Fine. Alam nyo na